Now, up next, an exclusive roundup of the week's key developments from Maharashtra in our Maharashtra 360.
From transformative infrastructure and connectivity projects to development reforms, women's empowerment initiatives and citizen-centric governance measures, here's a look at some of the key developments shaping Maharashtra's growth story. This is Maharashtra 360. Mumbai's urban infrastructure push received a major boost as Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis reviewed the ongoing work on the northern section of the Mumbai Coastal Road project. Following the inspection, the Chief Minister said the entire corridor is targeted for completion by the end of 2028 and will provide seamless connectivity between Nariman Point in South Mumbai and Bhayandar in the Mumbai metropolitan region.
मुंबई का 60% ट्रैफिक ये वेस्टर्न एक्सप्रेसवे से जाता है और उसको डीकंजेस्ट करने के लिए अब सीधा जो हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि नरीमन पॉइंट से लेकर तो भाईंदर तक सिग्नल फ्री रोड हम लोग एक प्रकार से इससे तैयार कर रहे हैं।
सर, कब तक चालू हो जाएगा प्रोजेक्ट?
ये हम लोगों का प्रयास है कि पूरा कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट ये अक्टूबर, नवंबर या दिसंबर 2028 तक हो जाए।
Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis presented the Viksit Maharashtra 2047 roadmap at the Niti Aayog Governing Council meeting, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, outlining a development strategy that combines economic growth with inclusive human development. Fadnavis said that the state is focusing on education, healthcare, skill development, women empowerment and social inclusion, while advancing towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. The state has expanded its aspirational program to 10 districts and 177 talukas to accelerate inclusive development. More than 20.8 million APAR IDs have been generated as part of education reforms, alongside implementation of the National Education Policy and digital learning initiatives. Healthcare coverage has been strengthened through 2,399 treatment packages and a network of 4,537 empaneled hospitals under major public health schemes. The state has set a target of creating 1 crore Lakpati Didis while supporting growth through an investment pipeline worth 20.3 lakh crore rupees. In a major boost to infrastructure development across the Mumbai metropolitan region, the Cabinet Infrastructure Committee, chaired by Chief Minister Fadnavis, attended by Deputy CMs Eknath Shinde and Sunetra Pawar, has approved projects worth 22,611 crore rupees aimed at improving mobility and reducing congestion. The approved projects include key road and metro connectivity initiatives that are expected to strengthen links between Mumbai, Thane, Kalyan, Dombivli, Nashik, Panvel and surrounding growth centers. Chief Minister said the projects will help make transportation faster, more efficient and more convenient for commuters while supporting the region's long-term urban expansion. The approvals also mark a significant step towards creating a more integrated transportation network across the Mumbai metropolitan region. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde received the prestigious Koch Award for successful implementation of the Shasan Apya Dari initiative launched during his tenure as the Chief Minister. The award, announced in 2024, was formally presented to him by representatives of the Koch Group at his residence in Mumbai. Conceived through the Chief Minister's Public Welfare Cell, the initiative was aimed at delivering government services and welfare benefits directly to citizens in a simple and accessible manner. Preparations for the Pune Grand Tour 2027 international cycling competition have gathered momentum, with Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar reviewing arrangements for the prestigious event in Pune. The Deputy CM directed all concerned agencies to work in close coordination to elevate the scale, quality and global impact of the competition following the success of its inaugural edition. She said the event is expected to strengthen Pune's emergence as a global sporting destination while creating opportunities for young athletes and promoting Maharashtra's sporting ecosystem. Following the successful inaugural edition, the Union Cyclist International has upgraded the race classification from Category 2.2 to Category 2.1. The 2027 edition will be conducted across 6 competitive stages. Cyclists will cover an overall race distance of approximately 1,099 kilometers. And those were all the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.